Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now, to turn off your Samsung Galaxy A17, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Just like that. And once you do that, the power menu will appear on the screen. Now to power off your Samsung phone, just select power off. Now, if you want to open the power menu by pressing and holding the power button instead of the power button and the volume down button combination, just open settings, then tap on advanced features. From here, just tap on side button, then tap on long press. Now, instead of digital assistant, just select power off menu. And after doing that, you will be unable to open the power menu by pressing and holding the power button. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.